Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Empower how to Unlink account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To unlink an external bank account from your Empower app, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Empower app. Then once inside, simply tap on login on the bottom right corner of the screen and simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the More option, then simply tap on More tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then next is to access account settings by simply tapping on account to open account settings. Then once done, simply go to connected account. Tap on connected accounts to view all linked accounts. Now here what you need to do is select the account and swipe left on the account you wish to unlink. Then simply tap on the delete option and confirm the deletion when prompted. You cannot delete the account that is linked to your autosave and subscription. If the account is associated with these features, you must first disable them before removing the account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.